Welcome back to DataShark Academy. In this lecture, we'll look into how we can run custom SQL queries using Sqoop. So far, what we have imported was the entire table from the relational database, or in some cases, only few columns from a table. But what if we want to join two or more tables to generate a required data set for our use case? This can be achieved in Sqoop using -e or query directives. Either of these can be used to pass in a custom query to a Sqoop, which will be used on the source side to pull the relevant data and sent over to Hadoop. Let's try this in terminal now. So let me bring the terminal. So this again will be a Sqoop command. It's an import and I'll use the option file. Our target directory will be Sqoop employees, so transformed. If you notice, we did not use hyphen table here because that will be part of the query statement. So now let's use the query and make sure you give this query in double quotes. Select employee number. We need the employee number, employee first name, last name, is .salary from employees salaries. So now we are joining two tables where employee number are the primary keys, and we are specifically looking for female employees who joined after 2000 January 1st. Okay, so 2000 January 1st, and we need to also pass one fixed parameter to Sqoop, which is called $conditions. It's just a format in which the query should be returned, and you just need to pass it as it is. We also want to order it by salary descending. Alright, and we want to split the data by employee number, and delete anything that is already there. So I'm using delete target directory often in my queries because I might have some existing data, but if you are using my examples for your production project, then do not use delete target directory unless you really need to clean the data on the Hadoop. Okay, so now let's run this. So as you see, this time the query is different. It's not select star like we were having all the time in all previous queries. Now this is a custom query. Okay, and it's saying destination directory is not present, so there's no need for deleting. Now Sqoop job has started. Okay, finished. So as you see, we did not get 1000 records in this case. We got about 861 records, and it's because we are joining two different tables and it's a custom query. So let's take a look. So let me clear this and look at the data. Okay, -ls, it is employees, Sqoop employees transformed. Let me just print few records. So as you see, these are our female employees who joined after year 2001. Okay, so as you see here, you can run the custom queries to pull the data from relational database and save it on the Hadoop. And this is very useful, and most of the times you will be doing this kind of exercise for your Hadoop production databases. Okay, so try this out on your end, and I'll see you in the next class.